Here today with another one of Jim's favorites at Buddyz. Jim's favorite place for breakfast. Downtown McHenry, right off Green Street, right off the Green Street channel. I really hate doing this one for you guys because this is absolutely a treasure. You come down the river, south on the river, you turn in right just at Green Street. I love coming down with my wife. It's very quiet, very tranquil to come right on all the way down. Your parking's a little bit tough, so you can park at the end. You can park at the McHenry public piers, take a walk down the Riverwalk. Makes for a great morning. If you've got friends, family, guests in from out of town, or somebody who's never been on a chain, take them down the river. It's beautiful. And the food at Buddyz is phenomenal. I always get the avocado toast. My wife Susan always gets the avocado toast. But I've never had anything here that I didn't love. I'm gonna go in now and have a beer right off the Riverwalk in downtown McHenry. Come on out, I guarantee it's gonna be a great experience. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give us a call today.